How can I learn English fast?
Practice every day, even for 10 minutes.
Is English hard?
No, it is simple if you practice slowly.
Can I learn English alone?
Yes, with books, videos, and practice.
Do I need a teacher?
A teacher helps, but practice is most important.
How many words should I learn daily?
Learn 5 to 10 new words every day.
Is grammar important?
Yes, but speaking is more important.
Can I learn English by myself at home?
Yes, if you are regular and focused.
How long does it take to learn English?
It depends, but daily practice makes it faster.
Should I read English books?
Yes, start with easy books or children's stories.
Can I learn English without studying grammar?
Yes, you can learn by listening and speaking.
How can I improve speaking?
Speak English every day, even small sentences.
What if I make mistakes?
Mistakes help you learn faster.
Can I talk to myself in English?
Yes, it is a very good method.
Should I copy native speakers?
Yes, copy their words and style.
How can I start a simple conversation?
Use greetings like, "Hello, how are you?"
Can I practice English with friends?
Yes, speak only English together.
How do I speak fluently?
Speak daily and repeat correct sentences.
What if no one speaks English around me?
Practice with online partners or apps.
Is shadowing useful?
Yes. Repeat after speakers to train your tongue.
Can I record my voice?
Yes. Then listen and correct mistakes.
How can I improve listening?
Listen to English songs, news, or stories.
Is watching movies helpful?
Yes. Use subtitles and repeat sentences.
Should I listen every day?
Yes. Even 5 minutes daily is powerful.
Can I learn by listening while sleeping?
Yes, it helps your brain remember sounds.
Is YouTube good for English?
Yes, many free English lessons are there.
Can I understand native speakers easily?
With practice, yes. At first, it feels fast.
Should I listen to one video many times?
Yes. Repetition improves memory.
Can listening improve speaking?
Yes, you copy what you hear.
Is listening more important than reading?
Both are important, but listening helps speaking more.
Can I listen without focusing?
No, active listening is best for learning.
How do I start reading English?
Begin with short and easy stories.
Is newspaper reading good?
Yes, but choose simple articles first.
How can I improve writing?
Write small sentences daily.
Should I write a diary in English?
Yes, it is a great habit.
Can reading improve my vocabulary?
Yes, you learn many new words.
Do I need to write long essays?
No. Start small and grow step by step.
Can I copy sentences from books?
Yes. Copying helps you learn structure.
Should I write mistakes in a notebook?
Yes, and review them often.
Is reading aloud useful?
Yes, it improves pronunciation.
Can I learn spelling by reading?
Yes. Reading shows you the correct spelling.
How can I remember new words?
Use them in sentences every day.
Is learning phrases better than words?
Yes. Phrases are easier to use.
Should I use a dictionary?
Yes, but use English to English dictionaries.
Can I learn English without grammar books?
Yes, but some grammar is useful.
How do I fix grammar mistakes?
Practice the correct sentence many times.
Is vocabulary more important than grammar?
Both are important, but vocabulary first.
How can I learn tenses?
Practice with daily life examples.
Should I memorize grammar rules?
No, focus on using them.
Can I learn 10 new words daily?
Yes, but always review yesterday's words.
How do I remember words long term?
Repeat them many times in real life.
What if I feel shy?
Speak anyway. Shyness disappears with practice.
Can I speak even if I make mistakes?
Yes, mistakes mean learning.
How do I stay motivated?
Set small daily goals.
Can I speak English in public?
Yes, even small phrases are fine.
What if people laugh?
Don't stop. Your learning is more important.
Is confidence important?
Yes, confidence makes learning faster.
Can practice remove fear?
Yes, the more you speak, the less fear.
Should I celebrate small progress?
Yes, every step forward matters.
Can English change my life?
Yes, it gives new jobs and opportunities.
What if I want to give up?
Remember why you started and keep going.
How much should I practice daily?
At least 20 to 30 minutes.
Should I fix one mistake daily?
Yes, small fixes build fluency.
Can I practice English while cooking?
Yes, talk about what you are doing.
Is daily routine practice good?
Yes, make English part of life.
Can I think in English?
Yes, it helps you speak faster.
Should I use English at work?
Yes, use small phrases.
Can I practice with TV?
Yes, repeat lines from shows.
Can music teach English?
Yes, listen and sing along.
Should I translate in my head?
No, try to think directly in English.
Can I use English with family?
Yes, teach them too.
Can games teach English?
Yes, word games are fun and useful.
Is YouTube fun for English?
Yes, many channels make it easy.
Can I learn English with cartoons?
Yes, they are simple and clear.
Should I sing in English?
Yes, it improves rhythm and memory.
Can I learn by jokes?
Yes, jokes teach words and culture.
Is learning English boring?
No, make it fun with stories.
Can I play word puzzles?
Yes, they improve vocabulary.
Can movies help?
Yes, watch with subtitles.
Should I join English groups?
Yes, it's fun to share ideas.
Can I make English part of hobbies?
Yes, read about things you love.
Can I use English in shops?
Yes, say hello or thank you.
Should I speak English at restaurants?
Yes, order food in English.
Can I talk to strangers?
Yes, start with small phrases.
Should I use English on the phone?
Yes, practice short calls.
Can I practice at the market?
Yes, ask prices in English.
Should I use English online?
Yes, chat in English with friends.
Can I travel with English?
Yes, English is spoken worldwide.
Should I join English clubs?
Yes, they give speaking practice.
Can I practice English in class?
Yes, always answer in English.
Should I use English at work?
Yes, even short sentences help.
Can mistakes help me?
Yes, mistakes are teachers.
Should I quit after mistakes?
No, repeat and learn.
Can I be fluent one day?
Yes, if you never stop.
How can I stay patient?
Remember, progress is slow but sure.
Can I speak like natives?
Yes, with practice and listening.